The Justice card typically depicts a seated female figure on a throne. In her left hand, she holds a sword, symbolizing the power of reason and intellect. In her right hand, she holds a scale, representing fairness and balance. Often, the figure wears a blindfold, suggesting that justice is administered impartially, without prejudice or favoritism. At her feet, there is often a cube or a geometric figure, symbolizing order and harmony. Psychological archetype. The Justice card embodies the archetype of justice, truth, and balance. From a psychological perspective, this card represents the need to make decisions based on logic, objectivity, and impartiality. It suggests that we must weigh the facts and consequences of our actions before making an important decision. It also reflects the idea of taking responsibility for our actions and facing the consequences fairly. Spiritual archetype. From a spiritual perspective, the Justice card speaks to the need to find truth and fairness in our lives. It reminds us that balance and harmony are fundamental aspects of spiritual growth. It represents the idea that our actions and choices should be guided by ethical and moral principles, and we should seek truth in all areas of our lives. Mundane archetype. In mundane terms, the Justice card can indicate legal matters, contracts, agreements, or significant decisions that must be made fairly and equitably. It may represent the need to resolve disputes or conflicts impartially. Interpretation in a tarot reading. The interpretation of the Justice card in a tarot reading can vary depending on its position and the surrounding cards. Goals position. When it appears in a position related to goals or desires, it suggests that you should make decisions based on justice and equity. Seek the truth and make impartial decisions in your affairs. Challenges position. In a position that suggests challenges or obstacles, justice may indicate the need to resolve disputes or legal issues. You must address challenges fairly and equitably. Outcome position. When it appears in an outcome position, justice may indicate that your previous actions and choices will lead to a fair and equitable result. It can be a card of resolution and justice. In summary, the Justice card emphasizes the importance of justice, fairness, and truth in our lives. It reminds us of the need to make decisions based on ethical and moral principles and to act fairly and equitably in all our interactions.